What's going on YouTube? Today is Thursday, back in Nashville, ready to take the car for a spin. Flat top currently in the shop, down in San Antonio, my new shop, blue truck, no name for it. It's right beside the flat top at the exact same shop with my new mechanic. Flat top is currently getting the gasket fixed, getting those hoses and clamps put back on brand new. Everything is coming from Freightliner. That mechanic installed it for me, so everything is getting taken care of. Meanwhile, I'm back here in Nashville, taking some unexpected home time. Don't know if I'm gonna go back out or not. I'm just waiting for the mechanic to call me and say the flat top is ready. If he say it's ready tomorrow, I'll fly back out. Maybe, just depending on the airplane tickets. Of course, I'll fly back out, and I just enjoy the Super Bowl on Sunday from the casino or something like that, even though I ain't never been in there. But I go in there for the Super Bowl, but that's about it. I'm not really that big on the Super Bowl this year because neither team is a team that I watch. So, I still want to watch it though, of course, but, I'm not really for either team. I'm just for whoever wanted the best. I cheer for both teams. But as far as the blue truck go, came back home, made a couple of phone calls to different part manufacturers out there to see what's going on with these CAT overhaul kits, and everything is on back order as far as OEM go and aftermarket. A lot of people are waiting on pistons. A lot of pistons is on back order. Some shops are telling me 2 weeks. They'll have kits in. Some of them talking about a month. Some of them, they don't know when they're going to get them in. It's no problem to me. I own the blue truck. And if y'all want to know how much it cost me to park that blue truck right there where it's at without moving it, that mechanic charged me $100 a month, which is $1,200 a year, just to leave that truck where it's at. You're probably thinking, Andrew, that's a lot of money, man. How long does it take you to make $1,200? Well, it take me about 12 hours to make about $1,200. So $100 an hour, 2 loads, and yeah, 12 hours of work pretty much allow me to sit that blue truck there for the rest of the year. Now, I understand you watching some of the other YouTubers and they hit the chalkboard. They done all the scientific experiments on the chalkboard telling you that, a cash truck, it costs you all this money in insurance and all that good stuff to sit a truck. I understand that does make sense on the chalkboard with all the numbers wrote on it, but when you step away from the chalkboard and get in the real world like I'm in, I just told you how much it costs. It's going to cost me $100 a month, and if I sit it down up to a year, it's $1,200. Okay, I don't have insurance on the blue truck, so that chalkboard has nothing to do with me. Okay, I haven't got insurance on a blue truck. I'll get insurance when it's time to move the truck, whenever that is, but I don't know what they're talking about, man. I have no idea what they're talking about. Insurance is your daddy. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't get no authority, because even when you get the authority, insurance is your daddy. They control you, so it's not even worth it to get no authority. I just got off the phone with my insurance agent, and I told them, hey, look, I got a direct contract now. I don't need Amazon no more, so I need to take all the Amazon stuff off. And they took it off, and they sent me my new quote back, and I posted it right here on the screen for y'all to see. $700 and I don't remember, $90 or something like that a month. And I owe them. Good God, what is he driving? I owe them about, y'all do the math on this. Y'all can see the numbers on the screen. Y'all do the math. I owe them about $6,000 for the rest of this year, as of right now. So, hey, if $6,000, if maybe that's worth it. Maybe it's not worth it for some of y'all. Insurance is your daddy, so $6,000. Hey, everybody's situation is different. Maybe $6,000. If you had to pay that, that probably will control you. And for me, like I said, everybody's different. I just make sure I put the numbers out so that you guys can make an informed decision. That's how much I pay Progressive. I got Progressive too, so yeah, that's how much I owe them. You can do the math, see how much I owe them for the rest of the year, and of course it'll change when I add my blue truck on. I don't know how much it'll charge. It'll probably double, but I had 2 incomes. Now let's talk about the numbers with the blue truck and what I'm expecting to make off that blue truck. I get the blue truck. I got a couple of scenarios. I'm not gonna tell y'all all of them, so I'm gonna tell you the best scenario. I get the blue truck ready. I put the biggest blower on. They got the Gardner Denver 12. I tossed that on there. I hooked back up to my trailer. I got the Cat Power twin turbo, nice and tuned, ready to go. You know, I'm looking, of course, to be able to gross more than I could in the flat top due to speed and other things that was time consuming. But we just gonna do. I'm just gonna go with a flat rate of 10,000 gross. 10,000 gross, $2,000 fuel bill. That's net $8,000 for me. Okay, that's 7 days of work, 2 loads a day. Can I do 2 loads a day, Andrew? Well, if you watch my YouTube stories, then you should know if I could do 2 loads a day. I may, I may be doing more than 2 loads a day. If you watch the YouTube stories, you tell me what is Andrew doing. I'm just giving you 2 loads. If you work in the oil field, you're a pneumatic driver. It don't really matter. It don't matter what carrier you're at. You know how much 2 loads should pay? Just $1,400. Just $700 a load. It don't even matter where it's going. It's pneumatic. It don't matter what carrier you're at. 1,400. Do 1,400 times that by 7. That's about what? Round it up. Okay, 9,800. It's about $9,800 right there. Okay, so just round it up to 10. 10. Take away 2,000 for this fuel bill. That's 8,000 in my pocket. Do that for a whole month. Okay. Now, insurance is your daddy, so go ahead and pay insurance. That's $790 or whatever that is, and there you go, right there. So your insurance may be your daddy. It may be your daddy. I mean, 30,000 in my pocket. Pay them, break them off the little 7. Oh, then of course you gotta break down Pippin, 3%. Gladly give Pippin his 3%. Give Pippin at 3% for the factoring, because Pippin gonna make sure you got your money in your pocket Monday through Friday. Them increments is rolling in Monday through Friday. They are just glad to get Pippin at 3%, because it could be worse. It could be worse. It could be 10%, 20%. You could be down 65% in some of these carriers. So gladly hand it over to Pippin. 3%. He ain't asking for too much. He understand he can't get it all from you. So 3%. Break that off to him. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just saying, we get at who is Pippin? 3% or insurance is your daddy? 3% or $700 off about 30 to 40 net. I just go off of what I heard on YouTube. I'm just repeating. That's what they said. They said insurance is your daddy. You know why I like repeating that? Because I'm not blaming the person that said that. I'm blaming the person that put that crap in his head that made him think the insurance is your daddy. But we're not gonna name. We're not gonna talk about who I think gave him that idea, because I know he don't know any better. So but as long as I keep repeating that and showing you the numbers, then we won't have that dumb thought going around the insurance is your daddy, and you got to put down $5,000 to $7,000 down for insurance, this, that, and all this nonsense that's keeping you from getting ahead in your trucking career. Okay, believing in nonsense. Let's talk about people that's actually got the authority, actually paying insurance, and can show you the numbers. Okay, now I'm not saying your quote is gonna be what my quote is, but we can get it around there though. Yeah, we can get close, because insurance can be your daddy if you want them to. I got a couple of phone numbers you can call and get $40,000, $50,000, $70,000 insurance quote if that's what you want. We can make insurance your daddy. We can make them your daddy and your mama. We can make the whole family can be paying insurance. We can get you at $3,000 a month if that's what you want. I'm just saying, I know exactly who. I know I got the people on the side right here. The do not call list. All I got to do is give you my do not call list. And yeah, insurance will be your daddy. It's going to be daddy and your mama. And your cousin too. I'm just saying, it's going to be everybody, okay? But anyways, did I tell you about the overhaul kit with the blue truck? Because I don't even know what I didn't say in this video. The overhaul kit with the blue truck, like I said, if I didn't, called a bunch of manufacturers, and like I said, the parts on back order with the overhaul kits. Everybody's waiting on pistons. Like I said, it could be 2 weeks up to a month, 2 months. Some people just don't know when they're gonna get them. Oh, I did say that, didn't I? But yeah, that's the situation with the overhaul kit. I'm not tripping. The flat top's still running. I'm still making money, and that's the numbers with the blue truck. So let's just talk about, to give you an example, if I put a drive in the flat top and do pneumatic, okay? I really don't want to put these numbers out, but I'm gonna give you an example, okay? Let's go back with 2 loads a day, because that's pretty much what everybody's doing in the oil field. Pneumatic, you should be doing 2 loads a day minimum, okay? 2 loads a day, 1,400, 9,800 for the week. Round it up to 10. Fuel bill $2,000. You're at $8,000. I pay the driver 30%. 30% of $10,000 is $3,000. Okay. So $3,000 for the driver, $2,000 for fuel. That's $5,000. The driver's happy, he got a $3,000 check. Fuel man, they happy they got $2,000, and I'm happy because I just netted $5,000. And once again, insurance is your daddy. Pay them the $700. Well, I guess it'll be $1,400 if both trucks is running. I guess I don't know, but you got the idea. But everything seems worth it to me. So everything seems worth it out there. I'm just trying to open your brain up. That's all Andrew's doing. I may be talking a little bit too fast. I'm just trying to get you to think outside the box, not inside the box. Now, Andrew, what are you gonna do with all this income? Yeah, I'm looking for the used houses. Yeah, I'm looking for the auction houses, $50,000. Yeah, I'm looking to go into it by the end of the year. I need a whole house. Yeah, I need a whole house. I could have hit that house when I was, I think I was 23 years old when I had my first opportunity to cash out on the home. Now that was in 2018. I don't know how old I was. I had just bought the flat top. Was living in South Memphis. And the house I was living in for about a year came up for sale without me knowing. They only wanted $25,000 for that house. If I didn't buy the flat top, I would have been a homeowner. But unfortunately, I just spent a lot of money on that flat top buying it. So unfortunately, that didn't come. I didn't get that deal. So, but we working on it in the future. Yeah, we trying to take all this income. We just trying to invest. That's all Andrew doing. We just investing. That's all we doing. We always looking for a deal. We always looking for a deal. Speaking of the deal, that down in Houston, that T600, that white one 18-speed C15 A-cert with the blown motor, he sold it for 15 racks. Migos did sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody did buy it. As far as the one that was in Mississippi, Memphis area, that guy won't respond back. I don't know what's going on with him, but it's looking real nifty. It's looking real nifty. It's looking real bright over here, nice and bright. Even if I take the blow off the flat top, put it on the blue truck, and just use my pneumatic trailer with the blue truck, I can take my flat top. We take it over to Justin Lewis, run sandbox over there, or I can put you on one of my sandbox contracts. Like I said, we gonna make it work. That's all. We gonna make it work. I'd rather all my trucks stay around me so I can, pay for the maintenance and everything. But I got mechanics out there in West Texas. Got a shop out there. Drop that off over there. He'll take care of everything. Send me the bill via email. We'll pay it. Get you rolling. So, everything is looking real good. But keep in mind, the oil field is temporary. So eventually, we're gonna have to come up out the oil field and make connections. I'm looking for connections around Nashville too. I'm looking to get part of this logistics world around Nashville. I'm trying to be a broker out here. I need to get the freight around here too. I'm looking left and right, high and low and center. I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to get I need all the monies. I need all the monies. That's right. Andrew needed it all. I need everything just like Pippen. Pippen needed it all and Andrew needed it all. We both needed it all. I'm trying to get everything. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up. It's just what it is. Now payday is tomorrow now. So save that money and invest.